Hello, hello students. Let us now learn a poem, Night of the Scorpion, written by a Jewish poet, Nissim Ezekiel, who lived between 1924 to 2004, and he is one of the pioneers of post-colonial Indian poetry. He was born in an Indian Jewish family. His contributions involve being an actor, a playwright, an editor, and an art critic. He was felicitated with the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1983 for his poetry collection Latter Day Psalms and the Padma Shri in 1988. Let me explain this poem or summarize this. The poem Night of the Scorpion depicts the depth of a mother's selfless love. It essentially makes fun of the superstitious Indian mindset, which to compare a small insect to a monstrous omen. This poem begins with the crawling of a scorpion into the poet's house to escape the rain. It hides beneath a sack of rice, stings the poet's mother, and then escapes. On hearing about the incident, the peasants from the village rush to the poet's house and try all their means to rid the poet's mother of the scorpion's venom. Using candles and lanterns, they search for the scorpion so as to kill it because they believe that the venom in the poet's mother's body would spread each time the scorpion moved. They try curses, chants, and blessings, but all these prove futile. The poet's father, who is not superstitious, also tries using various powders, potions, and mixtures to relieve her pain, but these too prove useless. Finally, after suffering for 20 excruciating hours, the pain subsides. The climax of this entire poem is about the selfless nature of the mother who, in spite of her pain, thanks God because He has spared her children of this misfortune. The poem highlights the prevalence of superstitions in the Indian society and portrays a picture of the rural Indian scene during the poet's time. Thank you.